Moon phases. Do you remember watching this video earlier this year?
Listen, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
In case you don't remember that video, it was of Neil Armstrong, the astronaut who first landed on the moon in 1969. We talked about the event earlier this year and even created a book for you to take home to read to others. Today we will be discussing the lunar cycle. There are 8 stages in the lunar cycle, and each stage is referred to as a phase of the moon. The complete cycle takes about 29 and a half days to complete. And we see the different shapes because the moon does not emit or shine light. Instead, it reflects the light from the sun. We will be discussing 5 phases, beginning with the new moon, the crescent moon, the quarter moon, the gibbous moon, and the full moon. The new moon starts the cycle. The earth is between the sun and the moon cannot reflect the light since earth is in between. We have the sun, the earth, and the moon all in a line, and because you see earth in the middle, the sunlight just does not reach the moon. The crescent moon gets its name from the shape it creates. Do you recognize the shape of a crescent roll? Or maybe a banana? The quarter moon gets its name from its place in the cycle. By now the moon is 1/4 of the way through the cycle, or about 7 days along. There are 2 quarter moons in the cycle. The gibbous moon gets its name from the shape it creates. Gibbous means bulging. The light looks to be bulging on the moon's surface. The full moon is our final phase for today. The full moon is when the moon looks big and bright in the night sky. The moon is reflecting all of the sun's light back to Earth. So to review our 5 phases that you'll be quizzed over in just a moment, we'll look at the moon cycle again. We have the new moon, the crescent moon, the quarter moon, the gibbous moon, and the full moon. This is a picture of the quiz you will be taking to assess what you've learned today. Good luck, kids!